Welcome to this month's new releases from the Lippert Technical Institute. Whether you're a first-time viewer or a returning fan, we're excited to have you here. In this video, you'll hear from me, Monica, and Lauren about the latest resources our teams have developed. Stay tuned to keep up with the newest information and innovations. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss an update. Let's dive into this month's new releases. The Virtual Productions team has been busy this March, bringing you several new projects. Starting off with the round bar weight distribution hitch with sway control installation video. Towing a travel trailer can be tricky, especially when it comes to sway. In this video, our team walks you through installing a weight distribution hitch system, a game changer for reducing sway and improving towing stability. To take it a step further, we also install the sway control upgrade to help combat the trailer sway even more. Next, we released a video on how to factory reset a slim rack programmable controller. Slide-out malfunctions can be stressful, especially in the middle of a camping trip. That's why we put together the step-by-step guide. Nick walks you through every variation of factory resetting a slim rack controller and resetting the in and out stops. Our final highlight this month covers refrigerator temperature testing. While it may sound like a straightforward process, one critical mistake could completely invalidate your temperature readings. In this video, we break down the proper technique to ensure accurate and reliable results. That's it from Virtual Productions team. Let's toss things over to Monica to see what technical publications has tirelessly typed up this month.
Thanks, Emily. TechPubs worked on new Furium projects in March, all designed to designate you the ultimate RV host, including our 1.9 cubic foot wine cooler wine fridge. This fridge has storage for a dozen bottles and a bottom shelf to artfully display those impressive vintages. We also created instructions for a 1.6 cubic foot 12-volt bar refrigerator in black glass to keep your guests well hydrated. Need to add some snacks to the party? Follow our instructions to install Furion's cooktop with air fry microwave combo. Now over to Lauren to find out what training opportunities are coming up.
Thanks, Monica. We have several in-person training opportunities coming up for RV owners and technicians. Our 3-day RV owner schools are officially open for registration. Held at our facility in Mishawaka, Indiana, participants will have the opportunity to utilize our hands-on mock-ups to gain in-depth insights into the Lippert products on their units. These classes are open to RV owners of all skill levels and feature a flexible class layout, allowing you to tailor your experience to your learning needs. We've got several different dates coming up this summer. Make sure you secure your spot today. We also have 2 technician service schools coming up at our facility geared toward dealer, OEM, and mobile RV technicians. Join us on May 6th through the 8th or July 15th through the 17th for a 2.5-day immersive learning experience where you will be trained on some of Lippert's industry-leading products while earning credit for your time spent with us. We are also hosting a 2-day RV technician seminar in Columbia, South Carolina on May 13th through the 14th. This lecture-based event will allow you to learn more about Lippert components with some small parts and pieces used for demonstration. On May 15th, we are hosting 2 more training events in Columbia, South Carolina. Join us for a utility trailer seminar where we will explore the ins and outs of all things utility trailers. We are also hosting our first ever marine training seminar, which will cover a few products under the Lippert umbrella, including Sure Shade biminis and Lumar shallow water anchors and pontoon winches. Don't miss out on these opportunities to build your professional portfolio. Register today. These are just a few highlights from this last month and for what is coming up here at the Technical Institute. From our engaging YouTube channels to the comprehensive online learning platform of our Technical Institute and our ever-helpful support site, we've got you covered. Each resource is thoughtfully designed to inspire, educate, and empower. Whether you're just starting your RV journey or you're a seasoned technician, there's something valuable for everyone. Don't forget to join us next time as we explore our latest releases. We look forward to seeing you there.